Hey guys, it's Karl. We've got the Apple Watch Series 7 in the house, so hopefully this is your first look at the next-gen Apple Watch. I'm rocking my Series 6 for nostalgia's sake, but if you've been tuning in since the keynote, you'll know that there aren't maybe as many differences between the 6 and 7, the key thing being the screen size, but we'll kind of take a quick look and I'll kind of let you know if it's worth the upgrade. Maybe I'll make a separate video as my review, but we want to see what's inside the box first. So of course, we do have the blue aluminum, and from all the videos that I've seen, I've only kind of peeped the new green. It's also available in Starlight, Midnight, and Product Red, so they really mimic the iPhone colors, and I do think the blue is the nicest color option. I've got all my blue iPhones here, but yeah, inside it's still got the same good old pull tabs. That comes out, we'll switch this around, and we've got the very nice branding on the inside, and this also comes with the Abyss blue sport band. That makes sense. And in terms of bands, I am a fan of just the simple rubber band. I find that they wear the best, they're the most comfortable. I tend to wear my Apple Watch when I work out. So the Velcro, I find frays a bit, it takes longer to dry. Some of the solo loops are made out of fabric, so they do hold dirt a lot better. The classic rubber, it's the cheapest, it's the most comfy, it's the one that I would go for. And we of course have the Abyss blue Apple Watch. My mistake, it's just blue aluminum, no Abyss blue watch. And up comes the case, designed by California in Apple. If that's the first time you've seen that here on the channel, you must be new. Blue Apple Watch on the side, and underneath we do have a new charging cable actually. So one of the key features of the new Apple Watch, it charges 33% faster, but that's only with this new USB-C to Apple Watch charger. And if you do have an older Apple Watch charger still kicking around, it'll of course still charge your Apple Watch. You just need to remember it won't have the benefits of that quick charge. So that's something kind of new in this series. And of course, inside of warranty info, user manuals, and no stickers. And the first thing that you'll see is 45 mils. So it's available in the two sizes, the 45 being a larger and 41 millimeters. So that's now 20% larger than the Series 6. I think Apple claims they've reduced borders by 40%, and the display, from what we've seen, goes right to the edge, and we'll quickly power this on. And the pairing process with all Apple stuff is super simple. So I've got my Pro Max here, we'll hit continue, and we will set up this new Apple Watch. And we'll quickly take out our Abyss blue band. We've now connected it. It's got the same rails, and this kind of looks like a bluesy for all of you watch fans. And this aluminum is actually the same color as you have over on the iPhone 13. And if you are someone that likes to color match your stuff, this would look really good together. The blue watch with, of course, the blue phone. This would actually look great in the blue Lambo as well. As we kind of wait for the setup still, another big thing coming to the new Series 7 is the overall, I guess, strength of the watch. So this is a very classic line from Apple, the strongest Apple Watch that they've ever built, obviously. The front crystal is now 50% stronger, and in every single Apple Watch that I've owned since Series 1, I have never yet to crack my front display. I wear this when I work out, I wear it when I shower, I kind of use it for everything. So I guess if you are really rough with your watch, I guess that could help. As kind of a testament, you'll see this dirty little watch tin. Maybe I didn't get out as much as I wanted this summer, but I am always rocking a watch on my wrist, whether it's my OG watch, whether it's my Apple Watch. So that just shows you I have something on my wrist all the time. I've yet to crack it, but I guess that peace of mind that it's now stronger. It now has an IP6X rating, so the same water resistant. Of course, you can take this in the shower, you can swim with it, you can dive with it, but it now also has a dust rating. It still comes in at the same price of $399 for all your aluminum options, or $529 if you're up here in Canada. That is the sound that my Apple Watch is now ready to rock. And off the bat, we can see a nice little blue face to kind of match everything. My first little text messages come through. And to really get a sense of the size, Apple has also included two unique watch faces to let everyone know you have Series 7. So let's swipe on over. We've got Contour, that was one from the keynote, Modular, Portrait, and of course World Time. And all of these faces utilize the full display potential. So let's quickly pick Contour. And once again, the colors really match a lot of the iPhone colors. So we've got dark cherry, that's from some of the accessories. Clover, Red, Starlight, and the Abyss Blue. Let's go the full blued out option. And you can see how far that display goes. And quickly, if I take off my Series 6, the bezels have really shrunk down in size, and we're getting that info all the way to the edge of the Apple Watch. And you can really see that off angle where the display almost wraps around the edge of the watch. So that's definitely a good use. It's still a very similar form factor. To also maximize the full display, I guess that's a relative term, we also have a QWERTY keyboard. You can, I guess, technically text fully now from your Apple Watch. So here we go, trying a quick message. I think I'm slightly struggling, maybe my thumb is a bit thick. It'll take some time to get used to. I still wouldn't recommend texting on your watch versus say your phone or your computer. Of course, it's nice to have. Is that something that you would do all the time? Once again, probably not. Internally, we are rocking the new S7 chip, but I don't believe there are too many differences between the S6 from Series 6 from last year. Speed and performance is still great, and even though we do have a larger display, you still get that same kind of day and a half battery life depending on how much you use it. We've still got all of the same sensors on the back, so you can still check your heart rate, you can check your ECG, you can check your blood oxygen levels. So once again, very similar health features as Series 6. We've got all of the great workout options that you can still do, and that's honestly what I use my Apple Watch the most for, working out, I guess closing rings. And the last thing that I did forget to mention, the always on display. So when the watch face is kind of down and off to the side, that is now brighter, but when the watch is kind of upright and you're using it, it's the same brightness as Series 6. So overall, is this new Apple Watch kind of worth it? I think if you already have Series 6, you don't probably need that upgrade. If you are someone that is always on their watch, you do like the large display, or if you're coming from a Series 4, maybe even Series 5, I still think the Apple Watch SE is a solid option for the price. Or if you're someone that has just upgraded and really wants to match the color options, then yeah, Series 7 is a dope option to get. I will say the Apple Watch is kind of the best smartwatch to currently get. So I think no matter which one you get in the past couple years, you won't be disappointed. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will make a quick little comparison video between the 6 to 7 as my full-on review, so make sure you stay posted, and I'll catch the rest of you in hopefully that video. Peace!